How to download Google Chrome on Windows. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download the browser Google Chrome on Windows. So if you have gotten a new laptop or a Windows device and you don't know how to install Google Chrome, you first have to head over to your Microsoft Edge browser, because this is the only browser that comes by default. What you're going to have to do next is go to the search bar, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and then simply search for Microsoft Google Chrome download. Hit enter, and you'll find the option Google Chrome. It's funny how Edge says that all you need is right here as you try to download other browsers. But if you still want to download it, you could just go ahead and choose Google Chrome. Tap on it. Now you'll have the option to download Chrome. Just go ahead and click on this big blue download button. It's going to start downloading the exe file. Now, once this has been downloaded, you can just click on it and open up the file. Click on yes, and it's going to start initializing downloading the Chrome. Wait for a bit, and then you should be able to start using Chrome without any problem. Now just wait for this to complete and your Google Chrome will be downloaded. You can log into your Google account over there, and you can enjoy using Google Chrome. That's basically it for this video, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any other new videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.